Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see which devices are logged in on your Amazon Prime Video account. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, once you have your Amazon Prime account, your Amazon Prime Video application on your device, you're going to go in it, okay? And once you're in it, you're going to, now I'm in the home, and to click onto the profile picture, okay? Once I click on the profile picture, I'm going to click on the settings wheel on the top right corner. Okay. Now, once you click on the settings wheel on the top right corner, you're going to see this bunch of settings. Okay. Now, you're going to, as you can see, are your registered devices. Now, this is the place once you click on it, you're going to see all the registered devices that are that exist on your Amazon Prime account. You can deregister them. As you can see, this is my my Android device. You can deregister them if you think there's a suspicious account, a suspicious person or a suspicious device that you didn't log into on your account. You can deregister them or just remove them from your account from here. So yeah, that was basically how you can see all the people who are on your Amazon Prime account, all the devices that are on your Amazon Prime account. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.